plus 28 day outside, and our customers are thinking about going camping. Check out this custom travel trailer just completed today, rolling out of the shop. Kind of an interesting project. We took a camper and made it wheelchair accessible. Part of this conversion involved removing a wall kind of behind me there, the addition of ceiling track, which you can kind of see over top my shoulder, and adding a custom cabinet with stereo controls at wheelchair height. Turned out pretty good.